Yo, what's good, beautiful people? It's your boy Mano, aka palmwinepapi. Welcome back again to the channel. If you are new here, I do a bunch of album reviews, reactions like this, so definitely check out the rest of the content. Ladies and gentlemen, we're looking at Sarkodie, No Fugazy, new record, new single, I think, for an album. Yeah, I think he's gearing up for an album. Obviously, you know Sarkodie, African hip-hop legend, icon, if I might say. Definitely an artist that has been consistent for over a decade now, dropping amazing hits and bangers. Won numerous awards home and away. He is definitely one to pay attention to, and it's been a minute since I covered anything from Sarkodie. And I feel terrible. I feel terrible that it's taken this long for me to cover a Sarkodie song. But nonetheless, I am excited about his new album. If this is a new album, actually. I've not even confirmed it if it is. But we're about to check out this new song, No Fugazy. Okay, what's wrong with my speaking today? Jeez. Anyway, without any further ado, alright, let's get right into it. This is Sarkodie with No Fugazy. Let's go. Okay, you got Rexy on this. Okay, we're here for this is another Rexy song. Because he has had a song with Rexy and Zlatan in recent times. But he's there again collaborating with Rexy. I remember one time, sorry guys. I remember one time Sarkodie tweeted when he heard Naira Marley's Soapy, he tweeted like, who the hell made this beat? And everyone was asking Rexy, yo, this is Rexy. And I think they've built a relationship since then. I'm sure they recorded a lot of tracks. So yeah, this might just be one of them. And yeah, Sarkodie is about to make us dance at the same time. Feel like he's in his rap bag at the same time. He's gonna rap over a dance song. So I'm here for it regardless. Let's go. No Fugazy.
Yeah.
Okay.
Drip 101.
Drip 101. No Fugazy. Okay, it's about to talk about fashion. No Fugazy. If you guys don't know what Fugazy means, Fugazy means anything fake, basically. Anything fake that is not original or something beaten up, basically. And it's about to give us a Drip 101. Alright? See, I'm not a fashion head. I'm not like the most fashionable. Like I don't be knowing what's the latest in terms of like trends and whatnot. I just wear what's comfortable, man. And but I'm gonna see if you're a fashion head, definitely comment on the drip in this video because he needs to be coming correct, because if he's talking about fashion, this video has to show up too, you know. So definitely let's keep that in mind.
Yeah.
Sarkodie, let's go. Up in the pump.
My niggas say when them say watch your blog. And you know Fugazy in this corner, bro. Before you cap the Lamborghini truck, making sure that we'll drip in the when you plug. Before
you cop your Lamborghini, make sure your drip is set to match the Lamborghini. That's what he's telling you right now. Drip 101, okay?
Corner, bro. Before you cap the Lamborghini truck, making sure that we'll drip in the when you plug. My niggas say when them say watch your blog. And you know Fugazy in this corner, bro.
By the way, I am not Ghanaian, so I don't know everything in Tree. I lived in Ghana for like 2.5 years roughly, and I can't speak Tree, and I know I'm embarrassed. It's a shame, but nonetheless, I'm going to be picking out the little terms that I can hear, something that I can make up from what he's saying in the song,
Before you cap the Lamborghini truck, making sure that we'll drip in the when you plug. You know that drip is very necessary.
Okay.
Anytime you pull up, you gotta be scary.
Hey.
Shopping, I be some mini pateri. Woody Gucci do not copy Perry.
I love the rhyme scheme here. He's using like a serious flow already. It's very bouncy. You're catching up with it basically.
I used to rock fakes, now we turned up.
Hey.
450 on the fucking 10 top. It's like an addiction, nigga, we can't stop. If you can relate, let me see your hands up. Now on the drip and now nigga we get more. We'll be back to Louis, but I said no. Everybody be rocking the same shit. I'd rather pull up in the fucking Vetmore.
See, I don't even know what a Vetmore is. What is a Vetmore? What is it saying? Like, I don't know what these brands are his name dropping, man. I need to pick up on my drip game, if anything, you know?
Yeah, the drip, no, we know the big brands. Me yes, I big plans. Rolling up, be replacing my wristband. Pass, I wish I queen their distance. Charlie nigga say with him, say what your blog.
The swag is there though. I don't care, but whatever. All the outfit is here right now. It seems calm. It seems like he's not flashy. He's not doing too much for a song that is about drip. He's keeping it safe. He's playing safe with the drip so far, Sha.
And they do Fugazy in this corner, bro. Before you cap the Lamborghini truck, making sure I will drip when you win your plug.
Okay.
My nigga, so with him, so watch the blog. And they do Fugazy in this corner, bro.
No Fugazy in this corner, bro.
Making sure I will drip when you win your plug. Would you be dripping each of their winter our light bill? Cause a couple dollars saving for the right deal. Grills the teacher, your friend is spotlight grill. Makes him Margiela on the off-white sale. On a regular day, BF.
I'm hearing some names that I know, so it's okay. I'm hearing off-whites, you know. Did they say Balenciaga yet? I'm waiting for Balenciaga to be named dropped.
Your friend is spotlight grill. Makes him Margiela on the off-white sale.
Macy Margiela. Okay.
On a regular day, be Air Force Ones. The percent me sharp body, I me warm low down.
On a regular day, Air Force Ones. Okay, I'm here with that.
I just say we wish I was to go fan. Casablanca t-shirt on a chill day. Yeah, the
Casablanca t-shirt on the show us the shirts now. Show us the shirts now. It said Casablanca t-shirt on a chill day. Bro, show us.
Yeah, last time I just say we wish I was to go fan. Casablanca t-shirt on a chill day.
Hey,
yeah, the
I like that drop though.
card I swipe it, but we still day.
Swipe the card, but we still there. Okay.
Hope a plug and friend, it don't be eBay. Each and every morning with it.
He has a plug. It's not eBay. He's telling you where he's getting all this drip from. He has a proper plug. No, it's not eBay. It's not eBay things. It's not Fugazy.
But that actually give way. Hope a plug and friend, it don't be eBay. Each and every morning with the pop tags. Charlie no Fugazy up a top class. It's a drip and the one where we know they walk fast. Some shadows that they reserve them for rock stars. What else?
Some shadows that they reserve them for rock stars. There's fashion Illuminati now. So there's clothes that the only superstars have now that we cannot even wear as regular people. Okay, it's telling us, he's revealing the small secrets. You know, Sarkodie was rapping about Illuminati way back. You know.
Watch your blog. No Fugazy in this corner, bro. Before you cap the Lamborghini truck, making sure I will drip when you wear your plug. With him, so watch your blog. And you know Fugazy in this corner, bro. Before you cap the Lamborghini truck, making sure I will drip when you wear your plug. What else? Now.
Okay. It's interesting, man. The direction he went with this song and the video too. Push it. Yeah, we see the grills. Alright. So it's just letting the beat ride for almost how long? Okay.
Spirit mix.
Okay, calm. Are we getting anything else? There's a few seconds left. Alright. That was it. I think it's very interesting, but he's making a song about drip. He's making a song about fashion. For the visuals, I was expecting a lot more fashion out of it. It was all him in the shots with like almost maybe like 3 outfits, and I was expecting him to, you know, change clothes, you know, change a lot of outfits, switch it up here and there. I'm not mad at it. It's calm, but I definitely expected a lot more visually in terms of like tying it to the point that you're trying to make. I was expecting to see maybe like a fashion runway, like a fake fashion runway. If you're talking about drip, many rappers have had songs about fashion as well, and when it comes to the visuals, at least the video direction, like it usually goes in that route. It's make it all high fashion, show a lot of photographers. I know the entire thing was put on a video set for him, but yeah, I expected a lot more creatively for that, especially tying that to fashion. Switching from drip to drip, especially the ones that you're name dropping on the song, it would have made sense. But nonetheless, I guess not everybody sponsored the video. You know, just there's only so much you can show in terms of brands on music videos. But nonetheless, again, Sarkodie is an artist that, and he's a rapper that people gravitate to just off of his flow, because predominantly he raps in his native language tree, and yeah, there's not only so much you can pick up. There's different terms here you can pick up from it. But nonetheless, man, it was an enjoyable bounce. The flow was definitely there. It kept up with the rhyme scheme that he had. I really enjoyed it. Just the fact that the hook just felt a little less. It wasn't punchy. The hook wasn't that punchy, but again, it was a rap hook, so there's only so much punch you can get from a rap hook. There's only so much you can get from a rap hook, to be honest with you, man. But nonetheless, man, it's exciting to see Sarkodie in his element on the solo track, man. no features. So yeah, that's always a good one to see when Sarkodie is not coming here with anybody. No assistance. I love Sarkodie in that element, bro. But yeah, nonetheless, man, thank you so much for watching. Let me know what you guys think about this one. Definitely hit the like button or subscribe if you're new here. I have other reviews coming up. I have album reviews, reactions to check out if you haven't. So definitely don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell as well. I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace out.